So we're down here in Blackheath in southeast London. This is another project we're currently been working on. So what we're doing today is going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour with a Doff machine. We've done some samples earlier on in the week of some penny roll and some tuck pointing for the customer to have a little look at. So he's going to make a decision today, once the brickwork's all been cleaned, what style of pointing they want to go for. So we've got a new plinth to do all around the base of the property as well. Goes all around the side of the property as well. So I'm going to put a nice new plinth all the way around the side there. On the back of the property, we've also cleaned and doing some repointing work out the back as well. So on the back of the property, we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks. Customer wanted a flush style of repointing on the back. Scaffold went up yesterday. Got some more bricks and pointing to cut out there as well. Then we're going to be doing a plinth on the base of the property here. So the plinth is going to go all the way around the base, go right up to that corner there, and then just a bit more work to do up on the roof. Again, cutting out and repointing the parapets and the brickwork along there. So yeah, everything's going really well here. Another nice project we're working on, and get this brickwork cleaned today. Bit of paint to come off in a few areas, and then we'll show you some results at the end of the day how the brickwork's come up. But customer doesn't want to go for anything too clean on the front, wants to go for a mild clean. And then we'll show you some progress later on at the end of the day. So if you've got any questions, you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Blackheath in southeast London. This is our tuck pointing project all completed now. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour using a Doff machine. Customer wanted to go for a very mild clean, so just a nice soft clean on all the brickwork. Removed some paint off some sections of brickwork that was painted red. Cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, and then tuck pointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. Just going to give you a little close up of how that all looks. So as you can see, once again, lovely finish to the brickwork as always. Put a new plinth on the base of the property all the way round. A nice new period air vent to go in. Doing some roof work now for the customer, so we're having some gutter work done on the front now, some new downpipe and a bit of gutter adjustment now. We're also doing some roof work to the main roof as well. Also carried on the plinth around the side of the property, so all the way along the side there. Just doing a few little open joints for the customer while we're here just to finish off. But once again, another job finished to the high standard as always, exactly what the customer was looking for. Just a mild brick clean and a nice classy tuck point as always. So if you like the look of this project and you like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.